In this video, we're gonna show you how to make the Karambit. Yeah. So it is divided into three sections. First is the ring, which is the simplest thing. Then second is the handle, and I don't want to rhyme that. And third is the blade, and that's it for this. Nice job. We're gonna make the ring. So what you have to do is get a ring like thing and put it on the paper and bling bling ching ching. Okay, get the damn marker. Okay, put it here, and we're gonna make a lot of circles. So what's the idea of this is that we make a lot of circles and cut them out and overlap them, and then we have that goddamn ring handle.
One layer of the tape is going to get colorful, and nobody gives a damn.
Yeah, just look at this. It's looking so nice. Oh my god. I'm so intelligent, you know. IQ level over 9,000.
It's over 9,000.
You know, we can very easily get a wrong circumference because I'm a pro. Due to my proness, my ultimate intelligence prowess, which is, I don't know what it is. We got our circles, and now we ditch this and cut this.
Hey everybody, we got them. And now I'm gonna teach you how to make a hole in this. And as you can see, I've got a divider in my hand, which is I found the use of it. No, I'm not gonna make a circle with this. I am going to scratch the outlines so the paper becomes weak and it will come out by itself. I know I'm a big brain, you don't need to tell me. So I'll see you on the other side.
So now, as you can see, we have cut out these rings, and the next step is the handle. You can see we have drawn this diagram. We are going to replicate it with the same concept. We'll cut out many of these and stack them together in between these many rings, and then we are going to make the blade, and then we are going to join everything together.
So we cut 8 of these as we had cut 8 of those. So now we're not going to mix them all together. We're gonna do it later after we make the freaking blade too. We're gonna make around 5 blades for 8 of both of these things, and that will be perfect. When we're gonna assemble this, we're gonna understand why it's gonna be why.
So as you can see, we have made the complete what was this name?
Karambit.
Yeah, Karambit. This is the blade, this is the handle, and this is the ring, and we have done everything with the same concept. We just cut out a lot of their kagebunshin, and now we're gonna just stack them together and join them together.
So now I'm gonna stick it all together, and you have to do as I'm telling you. So this blade, nice blade, very good. I've cut it nicely. We gotta tape it like that and stick it perfectly edge to edge with our handles first part. Nice. Now we're gonna stick it from behind. I'm gonna use a lot of tape here. Now it's time for the ring, one of the major parts. You have to do the same thing everything should be edge to edge. Get it? Edge to edge. Edges should be touched. I'm saying it again and again. If you don't listen to me, you're gonna mess it all up badly. So please listen to me and follow the instructions if you are making this yourself. And here we are, not complete at all. So we've sticked all of them together to our extras. They will give strength to the handle and the ring. And now all we are going to do is stick them all together. You know how to do that, so I'm not going to show you. This was about the time you cut. So here we have it. All fully final. Legendary Karambit. It's pretty unbreakable. Look at that. Not even a scratch.
So now, as you can see, yeah, we have made the Karambit complete, and this is it, the ultimate weapon. As you can see, it's very fine and it's unbreakable. It's very pointy and it's all made out of paper. And for you, now what you have to do is work and make this for yourself. And don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our damn channel, and hit a comment down below. Or if you don't do that, I will on you.
Bruh.